What's up, y'all? She's fixed, and look, they put my heel back. Not that I need to hit it with this thing, but, and it's not groomed at all yet. Last year I had a hell of a time getting this thing flattened out for me to jump it, but, yeah. She's on 12's, y'all. Clearly I need to, I'm gonna do some tuning on the diff. That was awesome. Oh, that wasn't awesome. That was into a log, y'all. Head on into the tree. Look at that. Forgot it was there. Dang, Kenny. Can't believe I didn't break it. Yeah. No. Yeah. This thing is a huge mountain. I wish it was flattened out some. It will be though. Oh no! Oh, that was brutal hit. Wow, right across that log it skipped. Oh. Holy shit. Wow, if that didn't break something, man. Wow, this thing. The old dude said he'll race anybody at the end of the year. Well, I'm down, because this thing's a beast fast. Yeah. I don't hear my fan. Yeah, I do. No, I don't. Oh, man. Yeah, hold on, y'all. I didn't even hook the fans up for one, and for two, I need to fix them. Look at me, y'all. Mud all over my face. This thing's a freaking animal, man. Wow. There we go. Now we got some fans ripping. Not that it needs them. The motor ain't even warm. It's nice and cool out here, y'all, but I'm still gonna hook it up. This goes. So let me get this back on here and we'll rip it some more. All right, she's back on there. This thing is a beast, y'all. I wish I had something I could hit right here, but I really don't. What the world? This thing is a beast. Yeah, yeah. Man. Wow, this thing, man. Freaking animal. Let's go here and see what we can play around with. Yeah, that was cool. Start chewing her down a little bit, boys and girls. Yeah. Nuts. Yeah, well, we're gonna hit that harder. Wow! Oh my God, you hear that? Thing just tore me up. Let's see if we can hit this thing harder. See what happens. Oh no! I broke it. If it didn't, I'm shocked. Wow, I can't believe I hit. Wow, I tried to barely correct it in the air. Did you see how hard it slammed that thing back? Dang, you cannot hit this thing hard at all in the air. Hell, you can't hit it hard at all anywhere. It's nuts. I can't believe I didn't break it. We're gonna have to watch that in slow-mo. That was nuts. Try it one more time, y'all. Oh, no, that broke it for sure. Wing. Dang, I stuffed the wing. Oh, broke it too. Did it break it? Or just the wing? Go get my wing back. That sucked. Blew my wing off of it. I knew something was gonna happen. This thing's nuts. Then I didn't hit it hard enough that time. Aha! Yeah, even this little fun stuff. Nice. 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 Take it a little easier on her, y'all. I ain't trying to beat it to death. I was being pretty rough on it there. That was brutal, man. I should have never been torturing her like that. But here's what it is. It still, the thing seems like it's broken rear end, something sagging. I don't know, maybe not. I mean, it's driving is normal. I'm gonna give him a break though, y'all. Break out the X-Max. All right, yeah, let's give this dude a break. Oh, I forgot my battery's barely hanging on in there again. Nice, Kenny, nice. I don't hear him either. Dang, let's see what I did again. Oh, this thing's a mess. Holy hell, it's a mess. Oh man, I can't get a hold of it. My fingers froze. All right, I must say, it's a beast. 12's, y'all, too. Look, there she is. You know, they're 2 6S lipos, man. 6S right there. Boom. 2 of them. 12S's. Here, we can go ahead and shut this off. Yeah, shut that off. Just leave the fans running for a second. But, I mean, in all honesty, it ain't even hot. I mean, it's got a little warm to it, but yeah, ain't that bad. So, these fans are clogged up too. I'm about to shut them off. All right, y'all, I'm blabbering. Let's get this X-Max out.